wait, I don't. Fuck. Yep. No! It is his mouth again! He spit it out? Oh. Probably now. Fuck, I don't know if we go for the good shit. Yep. You got it. You got it. Got him! Look at that eat shit.
Holy fuck, that's nice.
Oh, right into the fucking tunnel.
Very nice.
Let me take your rod, shultzy. Let me take your rod.
Yeah, sorry.
It's a sucker.
Yeah. Fucking, you should have seen it, Todd. He had it in his mouth 3 times. This is the 3rd time, eh, Zach?
Yep.
Wow. Nice fishy too.
One time. He's not awful. He's going home.
He's a beaut.
I don't think it's got eggs, but that was kind of cool. He kept on fucking biting.
I got the whole thing on video. You said, there it is, and then you reached
you
your
did?
fucking rod and splash. I didn't get the splash.
Yeah.
I didn't want to fuck it up because I was going to say, just wait.
It's
just
too bad you
wait.
didn't see him have
The sack, yeah.
because they literally we're both like, yeah, it's in.
We must have.
Boom. And
He's gonna be gone. Oh,
fuck, he is gonna be.
oh.
Come on, to wash him off. What a shit show. First fish of the year. Get in here and get the picture taken.
Hold
Don't
him.
touch me. I don't want you to get COVID.
Hold him up sideways.
Fuck me.
Dirty again.
Alright. Finally.
Nice fish. Good job, boys. Too bad I didn't quite get the. Yeah. I got it. You have to land this on it. You gotta land this puppy. Oh, that is a beauty. Holy shit. That is a smasher.
You fucking slut, don't put it in there. Making lots of fucking noise.
I know, you're gonna be loving this video though. It's right over the shoulder, it's perfect. How do you like that spotting job, eh?
Oh, okay. That's what I meant. It should just wait and then all of a sudden the fucker came.
Holy. That's the nicest fish in the river. Looks like it's full of eggs. Eggs.
Oh, doesn't it look a little dark?
It looked pretty silver to me. That's a beauty.
Doesn't want to I'll fucking tell you that.
That is a beauty. Don't fuck it up.
It's a male, isn't it?
I don't think so.
I think it is.
Well, if it is, it's perfect.
Holy shit, buddy. This is not easy.
No. That is an awesome looking rainbow. We got our pictures of that one. I think that one should go home to the freezer.
Yeah, it should just go across.
Right here.
Shit, fucking snowing, you bastard.
That is a super nice rainbow, man. That is amazing. Moment of truth. That is just beautiful. Absolutely. Oh shit.
Doesn't like that. That's a big fish.
That is in perfect condition too.
Fucking drags too loose, that's gone, but
Yeah, well.
should be taking my time.
Hang on. Oh, got her. Too much. Watch.
I got the strap on.
Is that video still on?
Yep.
Alright. You see me in the fucking video or no?
Perfect. Yep. Oh, yep. Now it's perfect. Don't fall off the cliff there.
Fishing with the walls, baby. There you go, got the old fucking sack there. Perfect.
Perfection. Good job. Good job.
Okay, now.
Very good job. Good.
Just finish the video.
Okay.